it's Logan, and I just got this new pack of Pokemon cards. I already started to open it, but I figured I'd do a video on them. So right now I just need the epic unboxing. Shout out to Funnel Vision. That's who made those epic unboxings. So, let's get a bounce the cam. So yeah, this is it. And so I need to open it up a little bit more. So we have.
Logan, you missed a card.
Okay, so we have a Komamo-o GX, and we have these 4 Pokemon card packs, and then an oversized card of it of Komamo. Oh. So now it's time to open up these 4 packs. Starting off with number 1. Ah.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you give me some scissors?
I think you took your scissors to school, bud.
No.
There aren't any in your drawer.
Then can I get one from your room?
Mine are too sharp for you.
What?
You're too sharp. I'm not gonna bother you with them, relax. Mom, look at how to use that bar with this. Especially as craft scissors.
Let me try and open up other packs.
Especially like craft scissors. You're gonna need it.
You can see we have Sun and Moon.
No.
Another Sun and Moon. Then I have Sun and Moon Guardians Rising. And just regular starter evolutions. My sister
No.
my sister Emily,
You know what I want to YouTube logo?
who doesn't like you. Well, who doesn't like to be on my YouTube channel, is helping me open up my Pokemon cards. So we got Starter Evolution. Okay, here's the code. And okay, so starting off, we have Tangela, Afroman, Vulpix, Fire Energy, Voltorb, Charmin. Oh, come on, that's my third Charmin. Second Charizard Spirit Link, Starmie, Pidgeotto Spirit Link, Poliwhirl, and Full Heal. So I'm going to leave you to say that's it for today. Don't forget the crown. Peace out. I'll show you my other ones next time.